Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make Lechon Manok or Filipino roast chicken. Let's get started. First we have a chicken, a medium size or 1.5 kilograms. Let's put this aside. First thing, we're gonna make our marinade sauce. We're gonna use soy sauce. 1 cup of soy sauce. I'm using a Filipino brand soy sauce because this tastes different. Then we're gonna add some black pepper. Then we're gonna chop garlic, 3 cloves of garlic. Then we're gonna finely chop it up. Put this in a bowl and do the rest. Then we're gonna add our lemons. These are called Calamansi in the Philippines. These are like really sour. It's kind of like mixture of lemon and lime, but they taste good in the dishes. So you can see, like so. It's kind of like orangey thingy. Looks like it. Then you're gonna squeeze it in and include this. We need a spoon. Then we're gonna mix it all. Let's put it aside. Now we're gonna do our chicken. So these are our stuffings. This is lemongrass from my garden, yeah. Fresh from my garden. We're gonna clean the bottom of it, like so. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna tear them apart. And then we're just gonna do this, like that. And Then as you lock it in, you just hook it up. And that's it. Then cut the edges. Then looks like this. And also 1 spring onion. You also trim it out. Like this. You just have to do like that, similar. Then here's our chicken. Then we're gonna stuff this inside of our chicken. This is our stuffings. We just put it inside like so. Like that. See? And this one as well. Yeah, it's fine. That's it. And then we're gonna put it in a bowl to marinate. We have to massage it first. Massage and turning. We're gonna marinate this for at least 1 hour. If you have time, you can start this in the night and you can cook it the next day. It would be awesome. But 1 hour is enough. So at this point, we're gonna wrap this up and put it in the fridge for 1 hour. Hi guys, welcome back. Now that our chicken has been in the fridge for 1 hour already, this time we're gonna add some vegetables to complete our dinner. The next step is we're gonna put some seasoning in it. First we're gonna put some salt. Put salt in there and some pepper, and a splash of oil. You can use whatever oil you have, it's your choice. So just to coat this. That's it. Then we're gonna mix them together. Yep, that's it. Now we're gonna put the chicken and the vegetable in this convection oven. So we're gonna put first our vegetables. And then this wire wrap we can put on top of the vegetable. Then we're gonna put our chicken. We're gonna put this chicken breast down first for the first half of our cooking time, because we're gonna cook this We're gonna cook this one for 1 hour. So 30 minutes halfway. We're gonna turn it and then another 30 minutes. We're gonna cook this chicken for 1 hour in 230 degrees. We're gonna turn it halfway so that our chicken will be cooked properly. Hi guys, welcome back. Now our chicken is fully cooked for 1 hour. Now our chicken is cooked already. It's nicely golden brown, but our vegetable needs some crisping. And we're gonna put this back for 5 minutes. Hi guys, now our vegetable is ready. Let's put this aside. And our chicken. Look at that, it's very juicy. And here's our Lechon Manok, or Filipino style roast chicken. Now we have dinner. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. See you again soon. Bye.